do I love about the Frankton Railway Village? Absolutely everything! Welcome to 12A Kea Street. Come inside! Relocated here in 1989, I think you're going to love the 3 bedrooms, the separate dining and lounge, and the fact everything's been revamped and rewired, replumbed, repiled, re-roofed, new carpet, new paint, air conditioning, beautiful drapes. Last time that 12A Kea Street was on the market, it sold like hotcakes. On the market for $475,000. Thanks for joining us in the Frankton Railway Village and watching our video. See you next time.